Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some great alternatives to retinol that could be a great addition to your current skincare routine. So the products I'm going to be talking about are from Lotus Organics Plus, and right here I have their Bakuchiol Plant Retinol Cream with an SPF of 20 and the Lotus Organics Bakuchiol Plant Retinol Miracle Face Oil. So this is what the outer packaging of both the products look like, and this brand is said to use 100% certified organic actives in their skincare, and this is a cruelty free and a vegan brand. Now coming to the key ingredient, that is Bakuchiol, that is derived from a plant called Bakuchiol. And this is becoming prominent in skincare because it is suggested that this as an ingredient can do what retinol does for your skin without the adversity. So much so that it is labeled as the natural alternative to retinol. So if you're like, okay, what is this? Why is it termed such as that? And why is it termed that way? Well, it's because of what it can potentially do for your skin. It can reduce the signs of aging, boost collagen, reduce hyperpigmentation, and make your skin appear a little bit more even. The reason we compare these two ingredients is because the function of Bakuchiol is quite similar to that of retinol, even though chemically and structurally they are different. The similarity lies in the fact that both of these are great ingredients to address the signs of aging for your skin. Okay? And retinol / retinoids are powerful and potent ingredients. There's no denying that, which can also mean that it might not be compatible with a lot of different skin types, especially if you have a sensitive skin type or you're just starting off with that particular ingredient. Enter Bakuchiol, which can be used by all skin types. It causes almost no scaling and no side effects that you could potentially experience with the other ingredient. Okay, and also this can be used during the morning and the night time without worrying about the sensitivity. So now that was a whole lot of information, wasn't it? I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up, but let's move on to the products itself. So firstly, we'll be talking about the Lotus Organics Plus Plant Retinol Cream. This is what the packaging of the product looks like. I feel like it's so luxe. It feels luxe and nice, and this is what the consistency of the cream looks like. I love to use this one right after I've cleansed my face. So I take the adequate amount of it, dot it on my face, and massage it in upward motion. It's a non-greasy formula and it instantly absorbs into your skin, and you can see that it gives you a nice visible glow. You guys can see I have used this product for a while now, and I can see how my skin looks nice and glowy, soft and supple. So this is a moisturizer that I use during the daytime. It also has an SPF of 20 in it and a PA+++ rating. I will also insert the entire ingredient list right here for you guys to see that. Now when I am indoors, I use just this product and I don't really use a sunscreen, but if you are stepping out, I would recommend using a sunscreen for sure. Now let's move on to the next one, which is the Bakuchiol Plant Retinol Miracle Face Oil. I love this one. The Bakuchiol present in this soothes the skin, and it is super lightweight, non-greasy and not heavy looking, and doesn't feel heavy like your usual oils would. I use this in combination with the moisturizer, and it is certainly a great combination. So I have been using these products for quite some time now. I'm almost halfway through the facial oil itself. This I feel like makes my skin feel a little bit more radiant, glowy, and a tad bit more youthful. And my skin is not doing very well the past couple of days, and this hasn't aggravated the situation, so no new breakouts is what I'm getting at. It looks nice and it's not triggering anything. So overall, I did enjoy using both these products, but if I had to pick one product, I would pick the facial oil because it is definitely the star of the show. I really enjoy using this one, and it's what I have on my face today as well. I have a combination of both of this and very little makeup, like minimal makeup, just a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes and a lipstick, and I feel like you can see how nice my skin looks. It looks so nice, glowy, and I'm always up for products like this. So also, both these products do contain a subtle fragrance to it. Nothing that's overpowering, but it does contain fragrance and an essential oil blend. So I wanted to give you guys a quick heads up before we end this video. So yeah, with that, we complete this video, and that's pretty much it. And I will leave all the product links in the description box below, along with a coupon code with which if you shop, you would get additional discount. So yeah, do check them out, and while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.